Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new episode on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we will be talking about probably one of my all-time favorite crystals, if I was to be specific, and that would be the beautiful Blue Lace Agate. I absolutely love Blue Lace Agate. I'll show you a piece here that I had that's a little bit bigger just to give you an idea. I just love Blue Lace Agate. It's definitely one of my top 3 crystals in my crystal collection, because it's like it does like wonderful things for you. It's like just by looking at it I can sense that the energy it radiates is just so suitable for me and for what I need. And I definitely am convinced that this is the proper way, maybe the best way to pick your crystals, really. So today we'll be talking about what is Blue Lace Agate, what does it do, how can it help you. Of course, we'll mention the zodiac signs associated with Blue Lace Agate, and as always, we'll talk about the chakra healing side of Blue Lace Agate. So if you're ready to go, let's get started. So if you're, for example, someone that has fears associated with public speaking, or the fear of confrontation, which kind of are related in some ways, then that would mean potentially that you might have issues with your throat chakra. And in this instance, I would absolutely recommend you guys to try a crystal such as Blue Lace Agate, because it really is the perfect gemstone to help you speak your truth and to really soothe anxiety and calm yourself, calm your energy. And it really is about promoting a relaxed state of mind. And yeah, it really also helps with establishing a better insight in general, to be more authentic in the way you speak your truth, and obviously just to be more capable to articulate what's on your mind, your emotions, how you feel, what you think. And of course, by doing so, that will all be done through the beautiful Blue Lace Agate soothing energy, which is very much about good vibrations, positivity, and that's really what Blue Lace Agate is all about. So very much so a stress-related crystal. So if you suffer from a stress-related condition, now you know me, I don't usually talk a lot about physical ailment, because it's an area that personally I don't feel, how can I say that, I don't necessarily feel confident so much about sharing that, because I am deeply a believer that if you suffer from a physical ailment, what you need to do is definitely not just rely on a crystal, but you also need to talk to a doctor. A crystal itself won't be able to help you. It can definitely be a wonderful complement on the side of more traditional medical advice and support, but definitely not on its own. But if I was to give an example of myself, because there is definitely something I can share with you on that side, it's that I, for example, suffer from, and I've suffered for years, from really difficult stress-related condition called eczema, which has caused a lot of difficulties in my life. Finally, I'm out of it now, but I have to say that this is definitely one of those that really helped me to overcome all the difficulties I had to face. I actually got my first piece of Blue Lace Agate gifted to me by a friend a long time ago, and you can see here it's actually this bracelet that I still have. I've had it for years now, and definitely This was a gift. I did not ask for it. She did not know I needed it. She did not know really what I was dealing with personally. But it's so interesting to see that connection, that she kind of sensed that this one would suit me. And when I first got it, I instantly felt a very unique connection there. I could not explain. And that was, I did not even knew at that stage what was really behind Blue Lace Agate and what Blue Lace Agate does. In particular, and it was very interesting to see how I actually got to learn about it and really witness that it was meant for me, that crystal was meant for me, that this is the crystal I needed in my life at that time. And like associated with, you know, helping you with that stress relief. It's great for an overactive mind. So if you're someone like me as well, you struggle with that area, it's really going to help you to calm your nerves, you know, because usually with eczema, you'll see a lot of tension headaches coming. Or maybe if you don't have eczema, and if you suffer, for example, from headache, like tension headaches really bad, you know, migraines in a really bad way, then definitely give Blue Lace Agate a try, because it really is about relaxing you and really promoting that very much like calm demeanor. And it's very good if you're someone that tends to have a very busy and you know, full life in general, you know. So definitely I would try to work with Blue Lace Agate and see how you can involve it, maybe for example in your daily self-care ritual or routine. Definitely a great crystal if you're someone, now that's not for everybody, but if you tend to do or make crystal elixirs, this one could be a great one to go for, because a Blue Lace Agate is actually okay with water. It does not have any issues with water. I might just show you more here. I have some more Blue Lace Agate here. As you can tell, I am obsessed. Yes, I am obsessed, guys. So you can see here, I have it as a bracelet. So you can see really that beautiful color it has. It's just, you know, it's really all about giving you that emotional boost and motivation, you know. It's like, it's really about that for me. Just by looking at it, it has that beautiful purple, like slightly lavender shade of blue, which is really nice. So very much so a calming story if you're someone that has a very fiery personality or very fiery emotions. To cool down, try Blue Lace Agate. I have another one here I can show you as well. So yeah, definitely great for, as we said, stage fright, or, you know, having difficulties to just express yourself. You know, fear of rejection could be another example. But yeah, very much so. I believe Blue Lace Agate was also quite popular, if I'm not wrong, in pre-Christian times, especially with in times of these times in the Scandinavian countries. Blue Lace Agate was actually getting very popular, because it had, if I'm not wrong, it had some sort of connections with you know, the earth, nature, gods and goddesses. There was a very interesting symbolism between Blue Lace Agate and that these times. If anyone's familiar with that, let me know in the comment section below if you want to clarify, maybe if I said something that's not complete. You know, don't be afraid to share the knowledge. This is just from what I remember about Blue Lace Agate in particular. But yeah, great for calming the mind, calming the spirit. If you're, for example, just very much so confused and you just need clarity, it's great for daily meditation, you know, just to put you in a zen kind of mood. You know, some people say it can be good as well to a certain extent to cleanse an area from negative energy. Now, personally, for something like this, I would maybe not go so much for Blue Lace Agate. I might more so dive into clear quartz, because for me, clear quartz is the master healer. But definitely, if you have some Blue Lace Agate, try and see how that goes for you. And yeah, for me as well, definitely another great crystal for, you know, just I'll show you back the piece now. Just for a troubled mind, new beginnings, change, if you want to embrace change in your life. I suppose maybe just create a beautiful connection between the higher self, the ethereal, but still at the same time being grounded and you know, down to earth. I think Blue Lace Agate kind of fits in that criteria quite well. So yeah, I would say if I was to give an affirmation for Blue Lace Agate, let's say you have some and you're meditating with it, because it's a wonderful crystal for meditation, I would go for something like, I speak my truth with kindness. It's very much so about that idea, and helping you to really say what's on your mind, really say and express what is stuck within you, but in a very beautiful way, an honest way, a way that you know you'll receive a nice, favorable response, if that makes sense, you know. Definitely a great crystal if you have pets. I would say give a try with Blue Lace Agate. I think it's a beautiful crystal that might help to calm down, for example, an over excited pet, or a pet that has a bit of a fiery personality, maybe. But yeah, that would be great, a great option. Personally, for me, Blue Lace Agate has helped me so much, even just like by holding it, you know, by just being there present with my beautiful Blue Lace Agate. I can really sense that it's like creating a connection with, like, you know, with my space, my environment, you know, and it's just bring me so much peace in times of stress, chaos, you know, confusion. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for a beautiful, you know, anxiety relief, soothing energy, calming vibration in a crystal, give this beautiful specimen a try, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I personally, I'm still shocked, you know. I can't believe everything it has helped me go through, because crystals are a tool. They're not going to be the solution to your problem, but they're going to be here to bring you that support and remind you of what truly matters. And what truly matters is your well-being. It's you being happy in your own skin. It's you being in a peaceful state of mind, and just being in harmony with your environment and being in harmony with yourself. That's what this is all about. So yeah, I'd say that would be it for today, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think about Blue Lace Agate? Is it a crystal that you have yourself in your crystal collection? Is it something that maybe you don't have yet and that you'd love to get your hands on? I would love to hear from you guys, and make sure you let me know as well what you would like to see next. I always love to hear your suggestions. I always want to make sure I provide as much value to you guys as I can. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you all a beautiful day, and trust your intuition, follow your intuition, and do something positive for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be talking to you soon.